So we've primarily been working with text as its own object, but let's say we want to modify things just like how we've been modifying shapes and curves and strokes and everything else in Illustrator. We want to convert these to vector points, right? So far we've been able to use direct selection tools and do all sorts of things with the different vector points and anchor points, and we've been able to really play with each object. Well, with text, you can't actually do that whenever it's in the base text form. So what we need to do is we need to convert this text to outlines. Now, the best way to do that is first, to be non-destructive, we're going to start by duplicating it first, just so that we have a backup copy. So I could either Command-C, Command-V, or do something else just to kind of back this up and have it somewhere else. I'm going to go ahead and hide and lock that layer and then go back to my other beach layer. Now I need to select it, and it's selected in the context-sensitive menu. We have the Create Outlines button. Whenever we click that, it's going to convert our text to outlines, meaning we have all of the modification tools that we can use everywhere else. So I can grab each one of these points, move them around. I can do individual character-based fills. Really start playing with this. So we have the text group selected, and let's just do a Pathfinder command on it. So I'm going to select this background and do a -front Pathfinder, and now we've punched a little hole and created a kind of knockout effect. So in order to really modify text, you have to convert it to outlines, but this is a destructive action because we can't come back in here and edit that text. That's why I made that other layer just as a backup, just in case. So if I ever want to go back to it, I can come back here and modify this or do something else with it. Just remember that, keep that in mind. You can't edit it. This is kind of like a final step, would be converting it to outlines.